Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a hot oil treatment, and the oil that we are going to be using are olive oil, almond oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. I use a hot water and a bowl and added all the oils together, mix them, and put them in an applicator bottle. My hair been in a twist for the past 4 weeks. The first 2 weeks I washed them and moisturize them, the normal routine. And then for the last week, it turned to a twist out. But today, after 4 weeks, I feel like a hot oil treatment will be very beneficial for my hair. The way I apply the oil, I usually start with the scalp. Make sure you massage the scalp. It's really important to make sure your scalps are being treated as well, because that's where your hair grow from your scalp. So you want to make sure you give your hair a really great environment, which is a clean scalp. That's why when I do my hair, I always focus on the scalp and as well as the hair. And I am using the oil to also detangle my hair. You want to be very patient. You don't want to rip your hair apart, especially for 4 weeks. Your hair have not been detangled, and you want to be very gentle, and then don't rush the process. The entire process, it took me about 20 minutes to put the oil and detangle my hair. So this is what I do. You are going to repeat the same process all over your hair. And I usually do a hot oil treatment like once every 4 weeks. Lately, I've been doing a lot of mini twists. That's what been working for me lately, and it gave me a lot of time to do something with my time, because I've been laughing lately. But the mini twist is working really well for me. So usually I will do that and be patient, kind of like use my finger first to detangle, and then you use a white tooth comb, and you're gonna go ahead and repeat the same process all over your head. So I just want to use this opportunity as well to welcome all my subscribers. I have gained quite a lot of subscribers here. I think we are at 1,500 subscribers at this point. And I'm super grateful. I know I haven't really been consistent on posting, but I am trying slowly to get back to normal and try to give you guys more content. But I do appreciate you all for your patience, and I appreciate you all for being here and still subscribing and watching my video. I am super excited. Once you are done with your entire head, I usually just put a little bit more of the oil in my scalp to make sure my scalp fully, have a lot of mostly, with the oil. And now I'm going to put it together. Usually I use a shower cap, but this time could not find one, so I use a trash bag to use what you have and make it work for you. And I leave it in my hair for about 30 minutes, and then it was time to wash my hair. And after 30 minutes, take it out. The hair looks really great, soft, and looks super healthy. I am so grateful. So if you have any questions, you want to try this hot oil process, you can leave your comment below. I will try my best to respond as soon as possible. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
Like they said, they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown.